Welcome to Center of Math's Advanced Knowledge Problem of the Week. For this week's problem, we're given a positive integer k, and that the nth derivative of 1 over x to the k minus 1 is pn of x over x to the k minus 1 to the n plus 1, where pn of x is some polynomial in x. We want to find pn of 1, so when x equals 1. So to do this, we're going to break up our fraction there into two fractions, take the derivative, recombine the fraction, and get our answer. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to break up x to the k minus 1 into two fractions. So equals x minus 1 plus some constant over x minus 1 plus some polynomial of degree less than k minus 1 over 1 plus x plus dot dot plus x to the k minus 1. And so this is just usual partial fraction decomposition. And so we're going to do this, and we're going to recombine them just to find our a value. And so 1 equals a times the sum plus x minus 1 times p of x, plugging in x equals 1. We get a times k equals 1, or a equals 1 over k. And so that gives us a. So now we just need to note, if we differentiate this n times, we'll have something in the form a times minus 1 to the n times n factorial over x minus 1 to the n plus 1. This is usual differentiation. And this part, we just need to note, upon differentiating multiple times, we're going to get something in the form 1 plus x squared dot dot plus x to the k minus 1 to the n plus 1 on the denominator, and some polynomial, some nth polynomial pn of x on the numerator, which is of degree less than the denominator. And so once we have this, we're going to recombine them again and then plug in 1. And so after we recombine them, we'll have our polynomial pn of x. And then our denominator again will become again x to the k minus 1 to the n plus 1. And so the polynomial will become a times minus 1 to the n times n factorial times 1 plus x dot dot plus x to the k minus 1 to the n plus 1 plus x minus 1 to the n plus 1 times some polynomial. This p is different than our big P here. And so once we plug in x equals 1 here, this right term cancels out because it has x minus 1. This sum just becomes k to the n plus 1. A is 1 over k. And so this whole thing becomes minus k to the n times n factorial. Thanks for watching. Please check out centerofmath.org, check out our blog, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.